Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about file handling in PHP. What is file handling? File handling means working with files stored on the server. Using PHP, we can create new files. We can read the data from the file. We can write the data to the file and we can update the data. We can delete the files and we can upload the files from the users. So, in simple words, file handling helps us to manage files using PHP. Why file handling is important? Now, let us understand why file handling is important. It is used to real world applications to store the data, to write the logs, to upload the files, to read the configuration files, and to save the data without database. When a user uploads a profile picture, PHP stores it using file handling. Now, let's see how PHP handles files. There are three basic steps: open the file, read or write data, and close the file. File must be opened before performing any operation. While opening a file, we use something called file mode. R means read only, W means write, A means append, R plus means read and write, W plus means read and write, A plus means read and append. These modes decide what operation we are going to perform on the file. Here you can see the types of the file operations. Now let us see different types of the file operations in PHP. First one is opening a file. This function is used to open a file. It requires file name and mode. We need to pass these two parameters, file name and mode. To read a file, we use fread. Fread is used to reads full file. Fgets is used to reads line by line file. File underscore get underscore contents is used to read the entire file. Writing to a file, we use fwrite function. It can overwrite or append data. After completing operations, we use fclose to close the file to free the memory. Now, let's move to the practical demonstration of file handling in PHP. I will show you how to create, read, and write data into a file step by step. Go to exam, go to htdocs folder. Here we have project folder file handling. Open this with VS Code. See here we have example.txt file. We can see the contents here. We want to read this file contents using PHP file handling. Create new file index.php. To read a file in PHP, we first open the file using the fopen function. It takes two arguments, the file name and the mode. Here R means read mode. So the file is opened only for reading. This function returns a file pointer which is stored in a variable like $file. This pointer is used to access the file. Next, we read the content using fread. It takes the file pointer and the total file size as arguments. The file size tells PHP how many bytes to read. So this function reads the entire content of the file at once. Finally, we close the file using fclose. It takes the file pointer as an argument and close the file to free system resources. Let us execute this program. Open XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and open browser. Type localhost :8080 / file handling. Enter. See here, we got this output. These are the contents of the example.txt file. In the previous method, using fread function, we read the entire file at once using the file size, which is simple but not suitable for the large files. Now we use a loop with feof function. FEOF function checks end of line whether the file has ended. Not FEOF file means the file runs until the end of the file is reached. Inside the loop, we use echo fgets file. Fgets reads the file line by line. Each loop iteration prints the next line. To read a file in PHP, there is a very simple and direct method using file underscore get underscore contents function. This function directly reads the entire content of the file in a single step and returns it as a string without needing to manually open or close the file. We can see here with this method also we are getting the same output, means these three methods used to read the file contents. Previously, we saw how to read data from a file. Now, let us see how to write and append data into a file in PHP using fwrite function. First, we open the file in write mode. Fopen function opens the file example.txt in write mode. Here W means it will create the file if doesn't exist. If the file exists, overwrite existing content. Fwrite writes the given text into the file. Fclose function closes the file after writing. First see the contents of example.txt. After running this program, we can see new content. This is the old content. Now let us refresh. We can see new content hello world written into the file. If we open the file in write mode and write contents, old contents will be deleted. Now to add new content without deleting the existing data, replace this write mode W with A. Here A mode stands for append mode. It adds new content at the end of the file. Existing content is not deleted. Let us execute the program. Here we can see old contents are not deleted. The text new line added is appended to previous content. Previously we saw how to read and write data in a file. Now let us see how to delete a file in a PHP. To delete a file, we use the unlink function. Unlink is used to remove a file permanently. It takes the file name as an argument. Once executed, the file is deleted from the system. This operation does not require opening or closing the file. Let us execute. You can see example.txt is deleted here. You can see here in htdocs folder file handling example.txt file is deleted here.